Mr. Right here. This is a film to give you the opportunity of expanding two brackets where there is a coefficient on the x's in the brackets. So perhaps pause the film now and have a go at these 10, and then you can play the film and watch me multiply them out. Okay, number one. Right, so I've got 10x squared from my first eyebrow. So 10x squared. Right, now my nose is going to give me 15x and my mouth is going to give me 4x. So I've got plus 19x and my second eyebrow gives me plus 6 at the end. Okay, number two. 2x times 5x, that's the first eyebrow. Right, the nose minus 15x and the mouth minus 4x. So I get minus 19x plus 6 at the end, because minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. Just have a look at number 1 and number 2 and see the link between them. Both of them have got 10x squared, of course. Both of them have got plus 6 at the end. Number 1, because I get plus 3 times plus 2. And number 2, because I've got minus 3 times minus 2, gives me plus 6. They both got 19x's, but number 1 has plus 19x, and number 2 has minus 19x. Okay, let's have a look at number 3. Number 3, 2x times 5x gives me 10x squared. My nose gives me plus 15x, and my mouth minus 4x. So that's going to be plus 11x. Plus 3 times minus 2 is minus 6. And now let's have a look at number 4. So I've got 10x squared, 2x times 5x. My nose is minus 15x. My mouth is plus 4x. So that's minus 11x. Minus 3 times plus 2 is minus 6. Let's have a quick look at 3 and 4 together. Now look at that. Both of them have got 10x squared. Of course they have. Both of them have got minus 6. The top one, because it's plus 3 times minus 2. And the bottom one, because it's minus 3 times plus 2. And then I see that my number 3 here has got plus 11x, and number 4 has got minus 11x. That's because the top one had plus 15x minus 4x, and the bottom one had minus 15x plus 4x. Okay, number 5, 7x plus 2 squared. I hope you wrote this down or thought about it as being this, which should have given you 49x squared. Now, 7x, the nose gives me 14x, the mouth gives me 14x, so plus 28x plus 4. Okay, number 6. Here we go. Right, number 6, this is going to be the middle term thief here. 4x plus 3, 4x minus 3. I'm going to have 16x squared from the first eyebrow. Now the nose gives me plus 12x's and the mouth gives me minus 12x's. So hence there's no middle term. And then I get minus 9 at the end, plus 3 times minus 3. Number 7, 10x squared. Right, the nose minus 12x, the mouth plus 35x, minus 12x plus 35x is plus 23x. And then minus 6 times plus 7 is minus 42. Number 8. Remember, we're going to think about this as 7x minus 4. Lots of 7x minus 4. It's going to give me 49x squared. Minus 28x from the nose, minus another 28x from the mouth gives me minus 56x plus 16, minus 4 times minus 4. Number 9, 5x times x, 5x squared. The nose, minus an x. The mouth, minus 35x. So minus 36x in total. Minus 1 times minus 7 plus 7. Number 10. Oh, it's going to be middle term thief. 3x minus 4, 3x plus 4. I'm going to get 9x squared. I get minus 12x from the nose, plus 12x from the mouth, so they disappear. Minus 16, minus 4 times plus 4. So there you have it. There are 10 examples of expanding two brackets with a coefficient on the x's. You will find further opportunities to practice later in this playlist, including links to a booklet which gives you loads of practice of doing this. Remember, practice until you can't get them wrong.